Good morning, everybody. This is Victor Aponte from MOG Improvement Services. Here, this beautiful and outstanding morning in Atlanta, Georgia. We started really early this Saturday, starting a project actually in Acworth, Georgia. Water the damage restoration. As you see, all the belongings around the area that we're going to work at have been protected. All the floors covered. Because as a contractor, we want to be actually part of the solution. We don't want to bring more problems with these people. I've been dealing with this problem with the insurance for about a month, and finally we have the green light in order to keep moving with the project. Everything covered, but the big damage is actually right here on the master bathroom. As you see, all the demo, all the remediation on the toilet room, it's been done and completed. Most of the problem it was actually for a pipe that burst, and these people came like 3 or 4 hours after. That is actually caused a big problem. The shower area actually works just fine, but as you see, all the floor and all the tile surfaces around the top, the toilet and the shower, it suffers. We're planning actually to renovate this bathroom with new tile, new drywall, new insulation. We did the mold remediation already, and all the painting and putting all together to actually provide or give back this bathroom for these homeowners. As I stated before, basically the process is like that. You fill an insurance claim. After that, an adjuster is going to come out. They provide an estimate, and we provide a quote as a contractor. Most of the time, the estimate on the insurance company is going to be way below the price. But as I stated in different videos, is the contractor actually duty in order to call them up, explain to them exactly what it entails in order to have this bathroom back to normal, and actually take care of it. Most of the time you receive a positive response for the insurance, because the adjusters sometimes they miss some things, or they underestimate that. Ninja tip, just have a couple of estimates from contractors and actually ask them to provide a report that we did with this couple here in Acworth in order to submit to the insurance company. Most likely they're going to call you up. In this case, they call us and we explain what the situation was, and we move the paperwork really quick. We came here around 10 days ago. This lady has been dealing with this for about maybe a month and a half, and we actually made it happen for them in 10 days with everything approved. We're good to go. Tile is here. Drywall already started, but we're going to start in 2 bathrooms in this house that were damaged. Stay tuned for more tips and renovations. My name is Victor Aponte from MOG Improvement Services. Our website www.mogimprovementservices.com. Stay tuned for more videos and more updates. Thanks a lot.